Good morning, class. My name is Suman Singh, and welcome to the first lecture of playing with numbers. Today, we are going to solve exercise 4.7. Okay, so before starting exercise 4.7, we will understand what is prime factorization. Okay, so as you can see here, it is given in a definition the process of expressing. You can see here the you can see here what is written. The process of expressing the number as a product of its prime factor is called prime factorization. Okay, so what is so in this lecture, in this unit exercise, we will learn about prime factorization. So prime factorization are basically two type. One is factor tree method and another one is division method. So in this exercise we have to learn only division method. So you can see here in this what it is written here 24. So how we have divided, you can multiply like this, 2 into 12, it will be what, 24, right? So here we have written 2 into 12 is 24, and after that here 2 into 12 is 24. After that 2 into 6 is 12, and then 2 into 3 is 6, and 3 into 1 is 3. So in this way we have to do the division method. Okay, so you can see in exercise 4.7, question number 1 is what, find the prime factorization of the following number. So we have to find the factorization of the following number. So number A, you can see number A here. So number A is what, 60. So you can see here 2 into 30 is what, 60. You can see like this. For this what we can write, 2 into 30. Okay, for this what we can write, 2 into 15. For this what we can write, 3 into 5. And for this 5 into 1. So in this way we will find out what the prime factorization. So at last what is there, we can see 2 into 30 is what, 60. Again 2 into 15 is what, 30. Again 3 into 5 is what, 15. And again 5 into 1 is what, 5. So in this way we have to find out the prime factorization. And in the last what we can write, we can write like this, the prime factor of 60 is what, you have to see this one. Okay, you see this side, the prime factor of 60 is what, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So you can write 1, no need to write 1. So this is the prime factor of 60. I hope all of you have understood this. Now next they have asked for 27. You can see here for 27 also it is same. What we can write, 3 into 9 is what, 27. 3 into 3 is what, 9. 3 into 1 is what, 3. So what we can write, we can write like this, the prime factor of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. No need to write 1. Okay, so I hope all of you are understanding this. Now again for 80, what we can write here, you can see here 2 into 40 is what, 80. Okay, in the same way 2 into 20, 2 multiplied by this 20 is what, 40. Again 2 into 10 is what, 20. 2 into 5 is what, 10. And 5 into 5 is 1. Okay, 5 into 1 is 5. So how we can write, we can write like this, the prime factor of 80 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. I hope you are understanding this. Now next is number D, 980. For they have asked 980. So if it becomes difficult to calculate such a big number for you, so you can do one thing, you can divide like this. Okay, you can divide by taking like this. You take, since it is 980 and it is a big number, so what you can do, you can divide this simply. 980 you keep here and you divide this with, first of all you divide with 2. So how we can divide, 2 4 is 8. Okay, 1 here, 18. So 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 nines are what? 18. These two will cancel out. This two, sorry, you can see once again. 980 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Okay, 1 is left here. Now this 18, 8 will come here. Now 2 nines are what? 18, and 18 will cross out here, and 1 here, this 0 will go here. So in this way you can find out here 480. Okay, 490. After that, now we can easily see here, you can, what you can see, 2 into 490 is what? 980. Now again, if we have to find out, we will change the color. Okay, for 480, 490. So again, you have to do, no need to fear, you just write 490 like this, and you divide this. 2 2s are 4, this will be cancelled out, here will be 9. So 2 what? 2 4s are 8 again, so 1 is left here, so this 0 will come here. So again 2 5s are 10. So in this way you can find out 2 into 245 is what? 490. So for big number you have to divide. I hope you have understood this. So again we can write what? The prime factor of 980 is what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. So in this way you can find out the prime factor of this. So I hope all of you have understood this. You can again see 252. It is like same, it is 2 into 126 is 252. Again 2 into 63 is 126. Again 2 into 3 into 21 is 63, and 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7. Again you can write the prime factorization will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So I hope all of you have understood this. Now next is number G. You can see here number G, what it is written there, 1 2 to 4. Again this is a big number, so for big number what you have to do, what I have told you, you have to divide. Okay, if there is a big number, so you have to divide like this, 1 2 2 4. First you try with 2. Okay, after that it will become what? 620, and then 306 153. Again 153, when it will become 153, then we have to stop 2 and you try with 3. So it will be 3. Again it has become here 17. So 17 is a so it will not come in any other table, so you have to directly write 17 into 1 is a 17. So again you can write the prime factor like this. Okay, for B, number B also you can do like this. You can see here number B, 2 into 42 is 84, 2 into 21 is 42, 3 into 7 is 21, and 7 into 1 is 7. So again you can write what you can write, the prime factor of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, so in this way you can do this. So I hope all of you have understood this. Now question number 2. What is the question? You see, they have asked find the prime factor of 1729. Okay, you have to find the prime factor of this 17. You have to find the prime factor of this 1729. Okay, and after that they have asked arrange them in descending order. We have to arrange them in descending order, means from bigger to smaller. Okay, and is there any relationship between the two consecutive prime number? We will see that they have asked about the prime number consecutive. So first of all, what they have asked, yeah, they have asked to find out the prime factorization. So you can see here I have found out the prime factorization of 1729. So since this is a big number, so what I have told you, you have to divide 7 with this, it will come this. Again 13 with this, it will come this. Okay, so after finding this, what is our prime factors? We have 7, 13 and 19. So we will write like this. So again in next question, in the next part, you see what they have asked. They have asked to arrange them in descending order. So we have, you can see here I have arranged this in a descending order. So 19 is bigger, after that 13 into 7. Now again, what in the third part, what they have asked, is there any relationship between two consecutive prime number? So no, sorry, they have asked, is there any relationship between the two consecutive prime number? So for this you can do one thing. Hmm. So for this, yes, yeah, there is a relation. Um, yeah, there is a relation. You can see there the difference between the two consecutive prime number is 19 minus 6 is 6. Again, if it is like this, you can see here 13 minus 7. If we are taking here 13 minus 7, it will also come 6. Okay, so this is the relation between the prime factor. Okay, now we will see the third question. So in the third question, it is very easy question. You can see here they have asked write the smallest and the greatest four digit number and express them as a product of prime factor. So smallest four digit number is here, what you can see here, 1 3 zeros. And what we have find out the prime factorization. Since it is big number, so what we have to do, if it is big number, just you have to divide. Okay, after dividing you can do this. So you can see the prime factor of smallest four digit number, what we have got, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. So this one again. Now in the second part, you can see they have asked greatest also, greatest four digit number. So for greatest, you can see here the greatest four digit number is what, you can see 9999. And after that, what we have to do this, we have to find out the prime factorization. So you can see this, I have found out. How we have found out? Because it is a big number, so it will be difficult for you to count, so you just divide this. Okay, I hope you know how to divide, no? So you just divide this, you will get this. After again you divide this, you will get this. Again you divide this, you will get this. Okay, so you can write like this, the prime factor of greatest four digit number is this. Okay, so this was all about question number 3. Now question number 4, what they have asked, they have already given this. You can see here prime factor they have given here. They have given the prime factor, you can see here 2 into 2, 8 into 5. So you have to find out, check whether the prime factorization of a given number is correct or not. So to find out the correct or not, just simple, what you have to do, you you do it by yourself. By doing your ourself by yourself, you can see that for this question 160 we are getting what, you can see here we are getting what we are getting, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. But what they have written here, you can see they have written 2 into 2, 8 into 5. So means the given data which they have given here, that the prime factorization of 160 is 2 into 2, 8 into 5 is wrong. Okay, so what we can write here, the given data is false or incorrect, anything you can write. Okay, now next, for next question, what they have written, you can see 76. For 76 they have written 2 into 2 into 19. So when we are finding, we are also getting the same number. You can see 2 into 2 into 19, we are also getting same, and here they have also given same. So we can write the given data is correct. I hope you are understanding this. Now next, for 150, what they have done, again they have, for 150 they have given 2 into 3 into 3 2 into 3, 5 into 5. So when we have found out, it will be like this, 2 into 3, 5 into 5. So they are, these two are matching, means the following data is correct. Okay, now for again, for number D, you can see here for number D 220, what they have done, they have written 2 into 2, 5 into 11. When we have found out, it is also coming 2 into 2, 5 into 11. So this is this data and this data is matching, so this is correct. Okay, so in this way we can write this. I hope all of you have understood this. Now next, they have asked in question number 4, all of you mark that I have given the page number here. Okay, all of you can see that I have given here, in every page number I have given, so don't get confused about it. So you can see here I have given page number. Okay, you can see here, no? I have given page number. So in the in the top you can see the page number. Okay, so now we will see question number 4, oh, sorry, 5. So in question number 5, what they have asked determine whether the following number are divisible by 15. So you have to keep in mind, because in for determining that 15 divisible by 15, so it will become difficult. Okay, so you just have to remember like this. If any number is, suppose for 15, if any number is divisible by 3 and 5, then you can easily tell that the following number is divisible by 15 also. Okay, if it is divisible by 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15 also. Or I hope all of you are understanding, no? If any number is divisible by, if any number is divisible by both 3 and both, okay, not single, both 3 and 5, then it will be divisible by 15. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this. So for this you can see 345. So you can see here 345 is also divisible by 3, and 345 is divisible by 5 both. So what we can write, 345 is divisible by both 15 and 3 and 5, so it is divisible by 15. I hope you are understanding this. Now for next they have given what, 14040. So you can see here it is also divisible by 3 as well as 5. So what we can write, since 14040 is divisible by both 3 and 5, so it is divisible by 15 too. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now next for this, you can see here this is also divisible by 3, 1 2 3 4 5, and it is also divisible by this. So you can see that, you can tell that since 1 2 3 4 5 is divisible by both 3 and 5, so it is divisible by 15. Okay, now for number D, you can see here it is divisible by 3 as well as it is divisible by 5. So what we can say, it is divisible by both 3 and 5, so it is divisible by 15. So I hope all of you have understood this. Now same question they have asked about 12. Here what they have told, divisible by 15, and but in this question, in question number 6, they have told that determine whether the following data is divisible by, following data is divisible by 12. Okay, so now for divisible by 12, what we can write, you can see here now question number 6. So in question number 6 you can see determine whether the following number is divisible by 12. So if any number is divisible by 12, always remember that if it is divisible by both 3 and 4, okay, both divisible by 3 and 4, then it will be divisible by 12 also. Okay, if it is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12 also. Okay, so we will find the same process, nothing you have to change, nothing. You can see this 2784. So since it is divisible by both 3 and 4, so it is divisible by, since it is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. Okay, now for number B, you can see here 74724 560, it is divisible by both 3 and 4, so it is divisible by both 3 and 4, so it is divisible by 12 also. Okay, now next, but here you can see here in this question, this 467744 is not divisible by 3, it will leave remainder. Okay, so if it is literally leaving remainder, then it means that 3 is not divisible with this. But when we are seeing the 4 is divisible with this number. Okay, since 3 is not divisible with this number and 4 is divisible with this number, then what we can say, we can say that this number, the following number, is not divisible by 3 and 3 but divisible by 4. So what we can say, the following number is not divisible by 12. What I have told you, to become divisible by 12, it should be divisible with both 3 and 4. Okay, to become divisible by 12, it should be divisible with both 3 and 4. If it is divisible by 3 and not by 4, then it is no, it will be not be divisible by 12. Just in this case, it is not divisible by 3 but it is divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by 12. To become divisible by 12, both it should be divisible with both, it should be divisible with both 3 and 4. I hope all of you have understood. So in this way you can find out the divisibility. Now next is they have asked a number is divisible by 4 with 4 both 4 and 6. Okay, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must be divisible by 4 into 6, that is 24? No. Okay, you can see here, if you are taking the number as 12, suppose we are taking number as 12. Okay, we are taking number as 12. You can see here, if we are dividing this with 4, it is divisible. We can divide this. We can also divide this with we can also divide this with 6. Okay, but when we are dividing this is not possible, so that is why it is not divisible. So what we can say, no, the number 12 is not divisible by both is divisible by both 4 and 6, but it is not divisible by 24. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this. Now next is what, question number 8. This is an easy question. What they have asked, give the number, we have to give the number uh, in which number a, what they have asked, divisible by 2 and 4 but not by 8. So we can take here simple. So if you are taking here 12, you can see 12 is divisible by both 6 2 and 4, but it is not divisible by 8. Okay, in the same way they have told which is divisible by 4 and 8 but not 24. So what is, and but not 32. So what is the number, that is 24. You can see 24 is divisible by 6, but it is not, it is divisible by 8, but it is not divisible by 32. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now last question for today, divisible by both 6 and 15, divisible by both 6 and 15, but it is not divisible by 90. Okay, so what is the number, now number is 60. You can say 6 is divided by 10, 6 6 is divisible 60 is divisible by 6, and 60 is divisible by 15 also, but it is not divisible by 90. So this was all about exercise 4.7. Now in the next class we will see exercise 4.8. Thank you.